Okay students, tangent theorem. What is tangent theorem? It's a very important theorem this also. Prove that the length of the tangent segment drawn from the external point to the circle is congruent. So there is the circle. Okay, this is an external point and these are the tangent segment. These are the tangent segment. What to write here? Listen carefully. Given. What is it here given? O is a center. O is a center. And P and PB are what? They are tangent segment. Segment PA and segment PB are tangent segment. And what you have to prove that? We have to prove that the tangent segments are congruent to each other. So what you have to prove? We have to prove that is segment PA is congruent to segment what? PB. Right? Then the construction. What is the construction? Once again see. Join OA, OB and PO. Okay? So what to write here? Join segment OA, right? Segment OB and segment OP. Okay, we have to join. If you join it, what happens? We can see two triangles are there. We have to prove this triangle and this triangles are congruent to each other. Very simple. We are done in 9 set also. So we have to prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. Now see how it. The proof. Right here statement and reason. Which two triangles we have to prove congruent? Now listen carefully. Which triangle? Triangle PAO and triangle PBO. We have to prove congruent to each other. In triangle PAO and triangle PBO, we have to prove both the triangles are congruent to each other. For proving a triangle, how many conditions to satisfy? 3. First one, OA is equal to OB. Why they are equal? Because they are the radius of the circle. In the radius of the circle, all radius are congruent to each other. So the first condition will be segment OA is congruent to segment OB. Reason, radius of a same circle. Right student? First one. Second, if you see properly, this is the common side. So I can say segment PO is congruent to segment what? PO. What is that? Common side. The third one. The third one was OA is the radius and PA is the tangent. Radius and tangents are always perpendicular to each other. Reason tangent theorem. So this will be 90 and this will be also 90. The third condition. What is that? Angle OAP is equal to angle OBP is equal to how much? They are 90. The reason we have to write tangent theorem. What is that? Tangent theorem. Okay students? So all three conditions are satisfied. Therefore I can say triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO. Which theorem will do? This is 90, this is hypotenuse and this is your side. So will be by hypotenuse side test. Okay? Therefore the remaining side, which is the remaining side here? Therefore segment PA is congruent to segment PB. Reason, corresponding sides of congruent triangle. It is a The fifth theorem, cyclic quadrilateral theorem. What is cyclic quadrilateral? Very important theorem also. The opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Now students, we should know what is the meaning of cyclic quadrilateral. The vertices of all the quadrilateral which touches the circle is called the cyclic quadrilateral, right? So this is your diagram. This is a circle. When all the vertices of the quadrilateral touches the circle, therefore this is called what? Cyclic quadrilateral. And what do you have to prove? You have to prove it's a cyclic ABC, the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Which is the opposite angles here? A and C, the opposite angles. Which is the other? B and D are the opposite angles. What do you have to prove? The opposite angles are what? Supplementary. Supplementary is what? 180. So A plus C is equal to 180 you have to prove, and B plus D also 180. You have to prove only one. Other you have to write similarly. So how to prove? Any one I am taking. So first is here given. What is here given? Quadrilateral ABCD is that cyclic quadrilateral. And what you have to prove? A plus C is equal to 180 and B plus D is equal to 180. That's clear? There is no construction in this. Directly we can do the theorem. Now see carefully here. Please here, all of the students here. This is first angle BAD. This is which angle? It is an inscribed angle. It is an inscribed angle. Why is it called inscribed angle? Because it touches the circle. So this is the inscribed angle and this is your intercepted arc. BAD is an which angle? It's an inscribed angle and this is what your intercepted arc. So the first will be, what is that? Angle BAD is an inscribed angle. What is that? Inscribed angle. And RBCD is an intercepted arc. Intercepted arc. So what is the theorem? What is the theorem is there? Angle, inscribed angle theorem. And inscribed angle is always half of the intercepted arc. What is it? The inscribed angle is always half of the intercepted arc. What does the theorem says? Inscribed angle theorem. What is that? Inscribed angle theorem. Okay. Now I take the first. I am taking this angle now and this arc. Now I take the opposite one. Now I take this as opposite angle, other angle, inscribed angle, and this is what? Intercepted arc. Okay. Now which is the inscribed angle here? BCD, and which is the intercepted arc? BAD. I am writing this here. We have to reverse it. Angle BCD is an inscribed angle. Is an inscribed angle, right, students? And which is the intercepted arc? Arc BAD is an intercepted arc. Intercepted arc. Okay. Then what's the angle? BCD is half of arc BAD. Reason once again the same. Inscribed angle theorem. Inscribed angle theorem. Right, students? After that, what to do? We have to add this and this. Which one? Angle BAD and angle BCD. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. What answer will come? Adding 1 and 2. The third step. Adding 1 and 2. What is the answer? Angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to, what is common on the right hand? Half is common. Take half common. So right here arc, what is it? BCD plus arc BAD. What is the reason you have to write adding 1 and 2? Adding 1 and, after adding, see all of you. After adding, the third step. After adding, which arc here? See here. Arc BCD, this one, and BAD. What it forms? It forms a circle. So the measure of the circle is how much? 360. So we can continue like this here. Angle BAD plus angle what? BCD is equal to half into. This forms a circle. So it is what? 360. You have to write the reason. Measure of a circle. Measure of a circle. That is 2 ones are 2 180s are. So BAD we can write angle A and BCD we can write angle C is equal to what? 180. Right here. Therefore, and also we have to write similarly. We can prove angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. Right, sir? Thank you.